Hey, this is Trending Sells. Consistently I am looking for new items to sell. So here's my best winning products of the day. Trending 10 for today's video is the all-purpose exercise half-inch yoga mat, extra thick high density, with carrying strap. With 71 inches long and 24 inches wide, it ensures comfort for people of all shapes and sizes. High-density foam material, the thick premium mat comfortably cushions spine, hips, knees, and elbows on hard floors. Moisture-resistant technology makes the mat to be easily washed with soap and water. Our trending 9 is the revolutionary bathroom sink drain protector, capable to catch strands of hair, jewelry, and other objects before these can clog your drain. Unlike regular hair catchers placed over the drain, this one fits inside perfectly, neatly collecting every hair. For our trending 8, we have the $50 entertaining Roblox game digital gift card with 4,500 Robux, which includes exclusive virtual item. The ultimate gift for any Roblox fan. Discover millions of free games on Roblox, and play with friends on your computer, phone, tablet, Xbox One console, Oculus Rift, or HTC Vive. Our trending 7 for today's video goes to this cool Nintendo Switch with blue and red Joy-Con. With 3 play styles: TV mode, tabletop mode, and handheld mode. Connects over Wi-Fi for multiplayer gaming. Up to 8 consoles can be connected for local wireless multiplayer. Use the free Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app to set restrictions on games and purchases, monitor gaming time, and more. Get the gaming system that lets you play the games you want, wherever you are, and however you like. In addition to providing single and multiplayer thrills at home, the Nintendo Switch system can be taken on the go so players can enjoy a full home console experience, anytime, anywhere. Trending 6 on our video today is the HD indoor wipe. The smart home camera with night vision works with Alexa and a Google Assistant. Live stream in full HD lets you see inside your home from anywhere in real time using your mobile device. Delivers fast, clear, live stream footage direct to your smartphone through Android and iOS, day or night. Motion and sound recording with free cloud storage. This smart home camera can automatically record a 12-second video clip when motion or sound is detected, and saves the video to the cloud for 14 days, for free. Trending 5 is the oversized women's casual sweater. Baggy loose-fitting sleep pullover. Cute knitted tunic top sweater. You can wear it in normal or drop your shoulder weight. It's more stylish and feminine. Rogue Express HD streaming media player's simple remote is our trending 4 for today's video. Quick and easy setup. Just plug it into your TV with the included high-speed HDMI cable and connect to the internet to get started. Streaming made easy. This remote lets you stream free, live and premium TV over the internet right to your TV. It's perfect for new users, secondary TVs, and easy gifting, but powerful enough for seasoned pros. Endless entertainment. Never miss award-winning shows, the latest blockbuster hits, light news, sports, and more. Number 3 on our today's trending episode is the waterproof and sun protection women's rain hat. 100% waterproof, thin, and lightweight DWR exterior, shake to dry. 100% hair coverage, protects in humidity, drizzle, or downpour. Built-in storage pouch, fits in purse or glove compartment. Under Armour Men's Charger Cert running shoe is our trending number 2. Durable leather overlays for stability and solid rubber outsole covers, high impact zones for greater durability with less weight. Finally, number 1 for our top trending in today's video is this amazing multi-purpose gaming headset with noise-cancelling microphone and LED light, compatible with Xbox One, PS4, PS5, PC, laptop, and Switch. Whether you're immersed in God of War, or want to hear your enemy's motion in Fortnite, PUBG, or CS, go wearing a professional gaming headset was matters. This headset offers an incredibly surround sound, for both games and music. Thanks for watching. In the event that you like this video and you got some value watching it, subscribe to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell symbol cause I discharge new recordings with my choice of best winning items. See you when next on another scene of Everything Trending.